I love old windows. I've dedicated my career to restoring them. But there's always been a problem with them that's bothered me. It's these steel pins that were designed to hold the joinery together. Over the years, they rust, cause more problems than they should. They damage the wood, weaken the sash. I've always felt it was just part of the process that I couldn't really improve. I kept searching for a better solution, and I'm not one who's content to throw in the towel. And then I found something new. Wooden LignoLoc nails. These nails allow me to truly repair these windows the right way. The historic way. Using these compressed beech wooden nails and some of the best restoration epoxies on the market, I can give these windows another 100 years of life. And these tools are just a piece of the process. You see, window restoration takes patience. It takes a lot of work. It takes an ability to see beyond the peeling paint down underneath to the underlying craftsmanship, to recognize the true value that's hiding. And I aim to bring that value to the forefront, to teach people that it's better to restore than to replace, to teach them that they can repair these windows. The tools are out there for you to learn to do this. I'm here to teach you. I'll show you what I've learned, the mistakes I've made, the tools I've seen, the techniques I've learned, so that you can start learning, start repairing, start restoring. It takes hard work to restore these windows. Hard work that I love. And it takes patience. But if you have the patience, if you have the passion, the determination to do things right, then you can take a piece of history and make it beautiful again. and I'm here to show you how to do it. If you want to learn more about these amazing nails and the window restoration process I do, then click the links in the description below, or check out some of these other videos. And don't forget to subscribe while you're here so you don't miss any of the great content that comes out just like this, to teach you how to DIY better